Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening display settings directly from the desktop. Right-click and select Display Settings so you land at the right panel immediately. Once there, make sure Windows 10 is up to date because default options can differ by build. If you're using a second monitor, keep it connected now so Windows detects both. This step ensures you change defaults for the correct setup. Do it first to avoid redoing layout and scaling later. You now set resolution to the monitor's native value to get the sharpest image. Windows lists recommended values, use that. Then adjust scale so text and apps are readable. Typical ranges are 100% to 150% depending on screen size. If those presets don't suit you, enter a custom scaling number under Advanced Scaling Settings, but note this can blur some apps. Once done, sign out or restart. If prompted, so scaling applies consistently across all applications and system dialogues. You finish by applying and saving the changes. If Windows asks to sign out, do it so defaults persist. Then test common apps and your browser to confirm crisp text and correct layout, because some apps handle scaling differently. If something looks blurry or missized, make sure graphics drivers are current and revert any custom scaling to recommended values. One key troubleshooting tip: roll back to recommended resolution or update the GPU driver first. This fixes most display anomalies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.